Mount Revelstoke National Park Overview and Travel Guide. In the eastern portions of the southern interior, 3 national parks, Mount Revelstoke, Glacier, and Yoho, appear in sequence beside Highway 1. Because they are national parks, they are by definition large, and each park offers a diverse range of activities. Few places on the planet provide such a wide range of geographically diversified and ecologically maintained outdoor activities, all within the boundaries of a single large province. Mount Revelstoke National Park is exceptionally picturesque, with a mile-high undulating alpine plateau and amazing views of the Monashee and Selkirk Mountains, similar to Glacier National Park. The park provides a one-of-a-kind trip into the countryside, as it is one of the few spots in Canada where you can drive directly into a subalpine grassland. The 26-kilometer summit road leads to the summit of this 1860-meter mountain. Regrettably, this journey is only available during the summer. There are no constructed camping accommodations at Mount Revelstoke National Park, however there are a few rudimentary backcountry sites. Hikers, cross-country skiers, and picnickers are welcome at a number of day-use spots located along Summit Road and Highway 1 as they wind through the park. Things to do in Mount Revelstoke National Park. 1. Camping. 70 kilometers to the east of Illecillewaet and Loup Brook, Indiana. Glacier National Park you will find campgrounds, as there are no road-accessible campgrounds in Mount Revelstoke National Park. In addition, Revelstoke is only 20 minutes away from 2 provincial park campgrounds, Martha Creek Provincial Park and Blanket Creek Provincial Park. At Eva and Jade Lakes, both near the top, there are 2 authorized backcountry campgrounds. These campsites require campers to utilize the provided tent pads. Outhouses and food storage poles are provided to keep food out of reach of bears. The park does not allow open burning. Passes for backcountry camping are necessary. Mount Revelstoke National Park has 2 backcountry cabins. Caribou Cabin is located 16 kilometers up the Meadows in the Sky Parkway, but it is only open in the winter. This cottage is available for a charge per person each night. Please contact the Mount Revelstoke and Glacier National Parks offices. The Eva Lake Cabin, which sleeps 8 to 10 people and has no utilities, is a fairly rudimentary shelter with no conveniences. Although there is no price to use this shelter, most visitors will prefer to camp in their own tent. 2. Hiking. There are a few easy hikes that start at trailheads on Summit Road as it climbs Mount Revelstoke's flanks. The Eva Lake Trail passes through subalpine and alpine tundra zones. Visitors can utilize the backcountry cabin at Eva Lake, but they must first register with the park warden before staying there overnight. The park's most popular and shortest trail is also its most popular. The Mountain Meadows Trail runs from the Heather Lake parking lot on the top end of Summit Road to surrounding subalpine meadows that are ablaze with wildflowers in late July and early August. Take a short walkway into the heart of the park's old-growth forest, where you'll find 800-year-old cedar trees, and walk through a living museum. Along the trip, signs emphasize the value of healthy ecosystems. There are benches available for you to sit and relax while taking in the peaceful woodland ambience. The Giant Cedars picnic area serves as the trailhead. The Skunk Cabbage Trail winds its way through a delicate wetland that is home to the unusual skunk cabbage plant and a refuge for migratory birds. Naturalist notebook indicators can assist you in identifying the plants and animals you come across. From May through July, this interesting location is at its best. The Skunk Cabbage picnic area serves as the trailhead. You can climb longer and harder by spending a day on the Lindmark Trail, which leads to Eagle and Balsam Lakes, all of which are nice places to stop. The Summit Trail offers the most difficult trekking in the park. This hiking trail was created by early residents over a century ago. To explore national parks, you'll need a backcountry pass. 3. Birdwatching. The months of May and June are ideal for birding. Along the Skunk Cabbage Boardwalk Trail, you can expect to encounter black-headed grosbeak, rufous hummingbird, yellow warbler, Steller's jay, chestnut-backed chickadee, western tanager, American dippers, magnolia warbler, and various species of Empodonax flycatchers. In July, a journey along the Meadows in the Sky Parkway reveals species from all 4 major living zones, including the chickadee grand slam, hermit thrush, pine grosbeak, red crossbill, three-toed woodpecker, olive-sided flycatcher, gray jay, fox sparrow, northern hawkowl, golden eagle, black-capped, mountain, boreal, and chestnut-backed. McGillivray's warbler, blue grouse, and rosy finch are some of the other species, Nashville warbler, American redstart, calliope hummingbird, various thrush species, and the western tanager can all be found in the ski chalet region at the foot of Mount Revelstoke. 4. Mountaineering. East of Mount Revelstoke's summit, the granite peaks of the Clacknackydane Range offer excellent scrambling and class for climbing. The Loretta Slabs, a popular rock face in the area, are only a short distance from the Trans-Canada Highway. Climbing necessitates specialized knowledge and tools. 5. Visit Mount Revelstoke Internment Camp. During World War I, internment camps were built in 24 places across Canada under the War Measures Act for the incarceration of around 8,000 people, principally Ukrainians and other Europeans, who were incarcerated as enemy aliens. The Mount Revelstoke Internment Camp commemoration along the Meadows in the Sky Parkway commemorates one of these camps, which was located in Mount Revelstoke National Park. More details about the Mount Revelstoke Internment Camp can be found here. Where to stay in Revelstoke National Park. 1. Revelstoke Campground by Pinnacle Lifestyles. 2. Eva Lake Campgrounds. 3. Williamson Lake Campgrounds. 4. Snow Forest Campground.